you coming today. So I would like to introduce our startup, Agriconnect. It's an IoT and data analytic platform for agriculture. So this is the content of our slide today. Now, listen. First, a little bit introduction about us. So we Agriconnect were established on July 21, 2016 in Ho Chi Minh City. Our main area of activity is product research and development for Internet of Things, including wireless sensor, automatic control. We also provide overall technology solution for hardware and software, automatic monitoring, warning and control with various types of sensor for agriculture. Till now, we already have application for mushroom, hydroponic culture and scripted cows. What we have done so far, data collection and building big data for agriculture. But actually, the big data part is for the future. That's what we aim for, but we haven't achieved now. So why we make Agriconnect? Because we see some problem with Vietnam agriculture, like lack of labor in farming area, and low yield and unstable quality, because we still use traditional methods, and lost fear of customer. It's about the problem with the hygiene product until now when the agriculture produce so many low quality products and the consumer are not happy with that. And Vietnam have potential about agriculture, but we still haven't reached to other countries in the area, and we would like to change that. Our solution, because our startup are strong about IoT, so we solve the problem from the IoT aspect. We provide two type of system for IoT. So the first one is internet independent, and the second one is cloud based. The difference between the two models is that the first one doesn't need a cloud server. So this one suitable for the farm which are not well connected to internet. So when the internet is down, the system still operates itself. And the second one is cloud-based. This one is suitable for farm with better infrastructure and want to have a faster deployment. So this is the overview about our system. We collect the data from the farm, and we have a platform to analyze and give the decision. And we also digitize the cultivation process, store it, and improve it. Here, our system help the farmer to control the equipment used in the farm, like the cooling system, the camera, and irrigation. So you can see this equipment in various type of farm, like in the mushroom farm, the hydroponic, and also in the bird house. This is our first experiment. This is the mushroom that farm that we built to experiment our setup. So we collect the temperature, the humidity, the carbon dioxide, the light, and let the user to observe it via mobile phone or laptop. And from this user interface, the user can set up what the temperature he wants. So he will know that what the temperature is the best for the crop, and he can set up it from the screen, and our system will based on that and control other devices. This is the user interface of our software. So you can see that we store the data, and user can see the history of the data. And here is the schedule. For example, the farmer one this morning the temperature is 29, and he want in the afternoon the temperature is 25, so he can set up the expected condition. And this is the product and device that we manufacturing and provide. The first one is the sensor node. The second one is the IoT gateway, and this is also the local server at the farm. And the third one is electric cabinet, which is connected with the high power devices. And we already have some customer. This is the farm in Mekong Delta, and this one is near to Ho Chi Minh City. This is a mushroom farm, and we also expand to bird house farm, where we control the humidity and the temperature, and also control the speaker. And we also spend time in researching. We cooperate with the Agriculture and Forestry University, and we also have partnership with JDM institution. This is one of the most important institution in data science. So this is our roadmap for the future development. About the technology, we already have the alarm system, user interface, and we need to improve it to let it easier to use. And we want to implement a central cloud. This is to help us scale out faster, easier to more customer. And we also implement some new feature that help in the daily manufacturing for customer, like farm diary. For application, we already have application in hydroponic, greenhouse, modern farm, and scripted house. And in the future, we want to expand to the aquatic and wastewater treatment. Okay, so thank you. This we already finished our presentation.